Okay, we'll try and do a loft round. February the 4th, Saturday. It's 1:30 in the afternoon. Getting this done pretty quick because the weather forecast says from the west we're going to get some snow. So we're expecting 10 to 15 centimetres. Let's wait and see. Okay, box number 1. This little champ. Sitting 2 eggs. Box number 2. I won't bore you, but this is a Jacqueline and Clavis pigeon that I bought at a breeder buyer in 2009. She's a really bright pigeon. Not bright enough to win, but I've always liked her. She's got her own personality. And this fella in here, you've seen my earlier picture saying this one might have potential. This is him. He's sitting 2 eggs. And he hates me. But he won a young bird race with me last year. So I'm going to be putting some gold rings on these young'uns when they come through. They're £10 each, but you're racing for £500. So that's my hopefuls for this year. So I'll be trying to look after those. Box number 2 done. Number 3. Right, we've got something going on here as well. Yeah, we've actually got 2 young'uns in there. Only a couple of days old, but there we go. A little bit of life. Very cute. The drinkers were frozen over this morning, but this one's nice and warm. If it gets any colder, I tend to put a little oil-filled radiator on in here, and just keeps it above 0. Box number 4 looks like good to go. Let's see what we've got under there. Sitting 1 egg, I think. No, actually, just tied to his nest. I've got nothing in there yet. This old fella, he's getting on a bit now. I send him to the longest channel race every year, and when he gets home his poor feet are all blistered because it takes him a fortnight. I swear he walks. What's he sitting on this year? He's a pretty boy. He's on 2. You can see he's a gay pied, and he's paired up with a red hen. So we should get something pretty out of those. Again, looking a little bit not too comfortable with being around. It's a Mealy Lake bred by Keith Atherton, and they are that is sitting 2 young'uns. 2. They'll probably be Mealy. Another pretty thing. Eyes aren't quite open yet, so only a few days old. A long while before I can get a couple of rings on there. Okay, slip that one back. Still haven't managed to find a nest with just 1 young'un in. I really like to float that young bird across because it's out of such a good pigeon. Yeah, sitting 2 eggs. That's a dirty one. I think it's full. Okay, put that back underneath him. Okay. The lower boxes tend to be taken less. And what have we got here? We've got 1 young'un and a dud. But the young'uns, that's a dud. Whether you can make out, it's darker because the contents are no good. So let's see what size this young'un is. We might be able to float this pigeon underneath. See, it's a big one. Quite big, but it's the only chance that little pigeon's got, so let's run and get him and we'll see if we can float him underneath that pigeon. Okay, let's go. I'm trying to keep these below 6 minutes, but let's sneak in quick. take that one away. Come on, mate. Let's see if we can save you. Oh, there he is. Let's go take him. Oh, there we go. He'll be thinking, bloody hell, it's a bit cold out here. Shut that up. Come on, mate. He's having a bit of a squeak. Got to remember I put him in there now. Okay. Let's see if we can float him under. Well, we can. It's a really simple thing to do. They tend to take to anything you put underneath them. So let's have a go. Change hands. Right, see if we can get in the picture as well. There's Dad over there, sitting that young'un. Let's try and get him in. He'll take to that really easily. That's a better look. They're not so different in size. He's maybe got a chance. Something else to film a bit later. Let's hope it's a happy ending. Okay. I'll pop the front back on, but I do tend to take them away once they're so old, so many days old. I'll take that away because it's easier to see what's going on, because say in the lower baskets don't tend to get anything in them. But sorry if I'm moving about too quick. That's the lowest box. So we've got about 2 young'uns in there as well. There we go. More. Well, it might not be such a good story in my old stock loft, but video section's having a good go. I just let them breed as they do. Some people take away all the eggs at day 15 and make them all go down again, so that you get all birds bred at the same time. But I don't do that. There are a lot of things I don't do that other people do. Just let them come as they please. Put them through into the young bird section, as long as you've got 3 or 4 to go through at once. Put them down on a good bed of straw in a box. They'll look after themselves and you can keep putting young birds to them as and when they arrive. But okay, that's that for now. I'll update you on that young bird, see if we managed to float him under alright, and if he gets fed tonight. There's a few still going to go down, I think. That grizzle is. Let's see. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments. Cheers, bye.